Hi, you're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi Batra at the BT Golf here in Gurugram with a set of golfers who've started off their game. Let's speak to them and find out how's their game started and what do they do. What's your name, sir?
Hi, my name is Dr. Bharat Gehlot, and I work as a strategic consultant with DSP.
Wonderful to have you. What about you, sir?
Hi, I'm Ranjit Yadav. I'm a gentleman at large now, having worked in various companies and as a director and so forth.
Okay. What about you, sir?
Naveen Kaul. I stopped working about 12 years ago. I am ex-CEO of Spice Telecom, Managing Director of Neutral Corporation.
Fantastic to have you all in the course. So please come here. Wanted to ask you, how's your game started?
It was actually not a good start for me, but every next shot should be your best shot. That is what my belief is. So let's see how it goes.
Okay. What is golf to you in one word?
Fun and life.
Okay, fun in life. What about you, sir? What draws you to golf course week on week?
Pleasure, struggle, and good golf.
What are the lessons that you draw from the course for your professional life?
Patience.
Okay. I want to also ask you, for all the young aspirants, what is it that you want to tell them? Why is golf not picking up as other sports like cricket or for something else?
So I think for youngsters, they should remember that they need to like pain. If you like pain, then you like golf. It's like life. You get good breaks, you get bad breaks.
Okay. What is it that everyday professionals can draw as lessons from the golf course and the greens?
Keep at it. Keep at it.
Fantastic. So what's your golf journey like so far?
So I started about 20 years back, and I made my best friends here. I made some of my best business associates on the golf course.
Fantastic. Any key deals that you've struck?
Many, but one thing is, if I play around with somebody, I can tell you the person's behavior, character, style, everything.
Fantastic. What about you, sir? What's been your experience so far?
So I've recently started like 1 year back, but yes, I have made couple of good friends through golf. Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, if I have to ask you on BT Golf, what's your experience been? Have you played before as well?
No, not with the BT Golf, but this is a great experience. You guys are doing a great job, and it's a great place to meet new people and learn more.
Okay.
I mean, I have a lot of things which I can learn from my seniors.
Absolutely. Well, all the very best to you. Thank you so much for speaking to us. Camaraderie, business deals, a lot more that truly happens at the golf greens, and of course much more from BT Golf to continue to get you through the course of the day. Stay tuned on Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.